Productivity gaps in the European Union are strongly related to technology variables, research and development intensity, research and development embodied in purchase. And they are also strongly related to how they interact. We have discovered that in 3 out of 4 sectors, disembodied and embodied research and development considered separately are relevant for closing the productivity gap, but their interaction, unfortunately, is not. Against expectations, this confirmed that the absence of complementarity between these two modes of technology acquisition indicates that there are some incoherent policies at European Union level. Instead, these two forms of research and development appear to be disjoint alternatives, suggesting mismatches between disembodied research and development investment and the level and nature of research and development embodied in purchased machinery and equipment.